Query successful. Try again without apps. Hate waiting days for money to move between bank accounts? Want to split a bill with a friend instantly? If you bank with Ally and need to send or receive money fast, the good news is you already have access to Zelle, one of the quickest ways to move cash. In this video, we're breaking down the simple steps to send and receive Zelle payments using your Ally account, right from the mobile app. First, let's get you sending money. How to send money with Zelle on Ally. Log into the app, open the Ally mobile banking app and log into your account. Navigate to Zelle, look for the Pay and Transfer menu, and then select Zelle. Choose Send. On the main Zelle screen, select the Send option. Select or add recipient. Now, you'll choose who you're sending money to. If they're a trusted contact already in your list, tap their name. If they're new, you'll tap Add New Person or Company and enter their U.S. mobile number or email address. Remember, only send money to people you know and trust. Enter details, choose the Ally account you want to send the funds from, then enter the amount you want to send. You can also add a brief note in the optional message field. Review and send. Finally, review all the payment details, the recipient, the amount, and the funding account. Once you're absolutely sure everything is correct, tap Send or Send Now. If your recipient is already enrolled with Zelle, the money is usually available to them in minutes. Ally doesn't charge a fee to use Zelle, but be aware of your daily and monthly sending limits, which Ally sets for security. You can typically find these limits within the Zelle section of the app. Now, what about getting paid? How to receive money and enroll with Zelle on Ally. Receiving money with Zelle on Ally is even easier, especially once you're enrolled. Enrollment is key. If you haven't used Zelle with Ally before, you'll need to enroll your U.S. mobile number or email address. When someone tries to send you money using that contact info, Ally will usually notify you via text or email if you're not enrolled. Completing enrollment. Log into your Ally account, go to the Pay and Transfer menu, select Zelle, and follow the prompts to complete your setup. You'll link your mobile number or email address to your preferred Ally account, like your spending or savings account. Once you're set up, you don't have to do anything else. When someone sends money to your enrolled mobile number or email, the funds will be automatically deposited into your linked Ally account, usually within minutes. You'll get a confirmation notification that the payment has arrived. You can also use Zelle on Ally to request money from someone else, which is perfect for collecting money for gifts or splitting a group purchase. Just go to the Zelle menu, choose Request, enter the contact's email or phone number, and the amount you're requesting. Zelle through Ally is a safe, fast, and free way to handle your personal payments. Just remember the golden rule of Zelle: only send money to people you trust, because once a payment is sent to an enrolled user, it can't be canceled. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.